everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is Upcrate Day. So for those of you that don't know, Upcrate is a art subscription program. It is monthly and it's based out of Germany, where they send a monthly goodie box, art subscription box. They usually have quite a bit included in their monthly box, and it's a pretty decent price. I don't remember offhand exactly how much it was, but it's around $25 US. Shipping is free, so it turns out to be one of the cheaper options out there, and they always have a ton of stuff. However, the art supplies aren't always, or aren't all. Sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't, but like name brand, sometimes it's stuff that they created themselves, but I've never been disappointed in any of the products they've picked, companies they worked with, things like that. So without further ado, let's see what's in the February, I believe, Upcrate. So here is the little packet. It's always personalized, which is a really nice touch. It is the 6th one that they have done. Here are the supplies. We're going to go ahead and take it out. We'll just put that right back in. And then always on the bottom of the box, this cute little sticker. And then right here it says it's time for art. It tells you to uncrate it, watch their how to do videos, sorry, and then enter the battle. They always have an Upcrate battle to win great prizes and share your art with your art crew neighbors. It is pirate themed, if you haven't figured that part out yet, but it's very cool. So this month, this is the featured artist. So it's Fox MB Illustration, looks like. And tells you a little bit about the artist and anything about them. Has a little write-up. It looks like the artist wrote it themselves, and then usually there is a place to follow them. This one has Instagram at fox_m.b. Very pretty artwork this month. And then, as always, they include papers. Looks like they are featuring Van Gogh brand this month. Van Gogh brand, I actually have heard of watercolor paints, I believe. But I don't think I've ever used any. I might have one or two, but I'm not sure. I'll be happy to explore it. There's only 3 pieces of paper this month, but it looks like it might be really high quality paper. Usually there's like a whole stack of paper. So we will use this one for our swatch. And then this just doesn't want to stay in there, so I'll open it first. This is Van Gogh brand watercolor in Naples Yellow. So let's do this. I actually have some watercolor paper from a previous swatch sitting here that I will use that instead. That's the Arteza Metallics, I believe. So this says it's Naples Yellow Red. Apologize, I did say yellow before. I'm sure there's probably a paintbrush in there, but I will use this one. That's not even, there's no name on it. And this is watercolor paper, but that's kind of a smooth side. So we'll do it. So there's the watercolor side. It's very pretty, very vibrant. Works pretty good. And then, oh, I don't want to use that. We'll use the Van Gogh card. So far, in most of their boxes, I've seen lots of pens and markers, so it's nice to have watercolor in this month's box. So there you go, just a little swatch there for you. Now, since I've already done that, let's open up their fancy packaging. Actually, we could just do a blind opening. How about we do that? Oh, there's a package inside there. Okay, so here's another one. Van Gogh watercolor in Madder Lake Light. Oh, that is red. Madder Lake Light. Does not tell you anything about the color, but it's red. And if you've used Van Gogh watercolors before, let me know what you think. Is this a popular brand? Is this artist quality? It just says Van Gogh, the quality brand on it. I really like it, but I'm definitely not a watercolor expert. So there you go. There's the red. Let's see what else. There's another one. Oh. Okay. So it looks like the color is probably the label. So I'm a little slow. Sorry I didn't catch that before. Because this one's lavender. So very pretty. Let's see, anything else? Oh, we're still going. So this one is a yellow deep. I'll put it right next to the yellow so you can compare the two. Very thick, which it should be coming out of a tube, so color's nice. See how they put so much in here, especially compared to some of the other art subscription boxes. Next one is pretty turquoise. Oh, that was my fault. I mixed some dirty water in there. Oops. There you go. And then I think there was one more tube that I could feel. This one is orange. So the only thing we're really missing is a blue. Yeah, a blue. And now I should be dipping this in water, a cup of water. So, those of you telling me I'm doing it wrong, sorry about that. I just wanted to swatch it for you. I will make a project as well. So there you have it. Those are the paints, and then we still have this package in here. Probably paintbrush, pencil, things like that. So let's get those out. So here is a Milan water brush. I have a ton of water brushes. This one looks pretty good. You fill it like normal with tap water. So I have one that you actually pull the plunger and it fills it up with water, which is pretty cool. It looks very similar to this, but this design is really comfortable. You push these buttons together and water comes out. It's pretty good control on that. It's Milan. I've never heard of that brand before. But like I said earlier, sometimes they have some stuff in here that is made by them themselves, their own personal brands. And sometimes they just work with other companies.
I'm not sure about that.
My Alexa decided to talk. Okay, Alexa. Turn off.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Alexa, turn off. Okay, sorry about that. I don't even know why she decided to go off, but second time was me for sure. But all right, so here's that. That looks really nice. You just fill it up with water. I use water brushes all the time. Also came with, this was my paintbrush. It came with this one, which is also Milan. Teeny tiny. This is a 2/0 Milan. And then we have a Polycolor Koh-i-Noor color pencil, which is fantastic color. Another one, oh, Cobalt Dark. And this one was, so this one doesn't have a name. And they look like they're exactly the same. However, when you turn them over, something's missing. This one doesn't. This one has a name. This one doesn't. They both have numbers, so you could always reference the number if you needed to. And then this one also doesn't have a name. Same Koh-i-Noor Polycolor in pink. So this would probably, I mean, the purple's probably close to blue if you needed a blue hue, but this color pencil would probably work on that for you if you were trying to do a project using just these items. So all of these, so let's see what is in the envelope. I can never open this envelope without ripping it, so they always include these stickers. Get rid of our little swatch card. First one is a person head, kind of neat. That's a little sticker. Next up we have our new art crew member who will stick to us forever. Is paper clips. That means that they included paper clips this month. I like the different sizes in there. Oh, and different shapes. And just a little card. Just a little piece of paper you can jot down notes. Oops, it's actually a sticker. This is a sticker. Like a name sticker. Officially art supplies addicted. That is very true. Oh, that is a cute little cat. So that was made by this illustrator. So this is the card you put in any pictures that you make that hashtag Upcrate battle, so that you can enter the competition. This one I think is a postcard. Just a fox in a magical world. Yeah, so just a postcard. But it's very cute. I like the fox this month. And then last is the list of supplies. So it says Van Gogh watercolors. Looks like these exact colors, so everybody probably got the same one. Transparent paint with intense colors. It does say watercolor tubes are very concentrated. Do not put too much watercolor on the brush. This paper is also Van Gogh watercolor paper. 100% high quality cellulose. 300 GSM. So it looks like really good paper as well. which is probably why we got 3 of them. The water brush is refillable. It tells you activate the push button slightly at the beginning to get a feeling for the amount of water released. So as always with any watercolor brush, you should play around with it, know how fast it comes out. Without pushing the button, it won't come out, but your tip will still be wet. And then as you're pushing it, I don't paint as I'm pushing it. I will push it and then test it first, or wipe it off on a paper towel, anything like that, and then I'll use it. There's no prices in any of this, so I don't know comparatively how much it's worth versus how much the box is worth, but I've never been disappointed. This one is the round brush, number 00 it says, and then it tells you about the pencil. These are made with, so it only has one pictured, it has this one pictured, but it says these hexagonal soft pencils are made with an oil-based core that provides color with excellent light fastness and water resistance. So pretty much these are really good to draw on top of watercolor, just to add details, things like that. They have a 72 color range and they can be blended. It says, P.S. Did you find our gimmick in your crate? So our gimmick, I don't know, but so there's that. So very cool, very nice set this month. I probably won't be creating anything right away. I want to get this video up for you first, but I will definitely be creating something with it. I do like watercolors. I have been trying to get into using watercolors more, so this will be fun. And as always, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and if you want to see more, and definitely let me know in the comments below what you thought of this video. Thanks for watching. I forgot to mention the back of the battle card is actually this month's theme. So this is inspired by the artist that drew this beautiful fox and girl, and this month's battle topic is the love of animals. So it tells you what you need to do. You just need to use these materials, post it on Instagram with your artwork and this card. So yeah, again, if you get this box, let me know below what your favorite thing was, and if you don't, let me know below what your favorite thing was. And thanks for watching.